Hi everyone, this is Saucy, the Towboat Chef. Freezing cold. We had approximately 3 to 4 inches of snow last night. And on my way in, I hit about 4 or 5 patches of black ice, but I'm okay. I made it safely. But I'm sitting waiting for the crew van. We're not going to go till daylight hours, which is just now. And I got all my winter gear out, but I forgot my gloves. I couldn't find them. But anyways, I'm getting back inside, so I'm going to end this right about now. Hey everybody, I am on the boat. I'm frozen stiff. My hands, everything. Had to take a tugboat to get to the boat. Yes, I know, everybody wants to know what's the difference. I promise I'll get you out that video as soon as I can. Alright, but guess what? I've got a really nice room. Would you like to take a tour of it? Hold on, be right back. Okay, this is from the doorway. First, let me pan over here. Of course, this is where my bed's at. I haven't made it up yet. I just arrived. I got 2 types of dresser drawers. I got a big, huge TV. I'm loving this. And my favorite part is that. Oh, am I going to love that. Okay, that's going to be my little table. I do not need a fan going. This is going to be a heater, which is right there. This is the bathroom. Hi, everybody. And a big shower. Of course, the commode, we all know what that is. But I am going to like this. I also have a closet over here. Let me pan around. Got a night lamp. Closet's right here. I haven't opened it up yet. Let's open it up together. Let's see what we got. Surprise here. Oh, okay. Well, I've got the required life jacket. In case we have to abandon ship, that's the one we have to use. Extra blankets. Ooh, I like that. Water. They left me some water. And a bunch of hangers. You've only seen this bag. Because my other stuff is out in the deck locker right now. Like I said, just came on. I'm going to love this room. Alright, be right back. everything I have here that's going to be, that I live out of for the next 28 days. Or 56 if I decide to stay. It's all right in there. All of this. That's my galley bag. That's my electronic bag. That's my personal bag. And that's all my clothes and shoes and some other personal things. But hey, living frugal. That's how we do it on the boat. Just like van life, right? I'm back, and I'm going to give you a tour of this galley. So, slowly going to turn around. These are 2 freezers right here. Hold on, let me back this out. Okay. Let's back up here. These are 2 full-size freezers right there. Of course, the microwave. Let's see, come on, let's focus in. And the coffee station. These cupboards here have the dishes in them. These are like cereals, snacks, syrup, things like that for the guys. And underneath that sink there's some cleaning supplies. A little ice machine over there. This is the dining room table. I'm going to come around this way. I'm going to walk around this way even. Three full-size refrigerators. My prep station. Yes, I'm making meatloaf tonight because just got on the boat. Got to fix something quick. A fryer. I've already got my potatoes cut up to bake mashed potatoes. I got corn already out. I'm going to get some green beans and some probably crescent rolls, gravy. Here's another section here. This has all my pots and pans in it and my cooking utensils. Here is my pantry. Pretty good organization. Some of it needs to be redone a little bit. But I mean, it's not that bad. And of course, potatoes and onions. Definitely need to get more different types of potatoes than just red. Dishwasher. This has all my spices in it. It has all my baking stuff in this. Dishes in the corner there. More spices in that long cupboard. All my measuring cups and so forth for baking. What is in here? Oh, like dish towels, mixer, hand mixer. That has my like sheet pans and cutting boards. All the cleaning stuff for the galley down in there. So it's not a bad looking galley. That's how it looks from my point of view. Alright. Be right back. Okay. I'm going to try to get as much videos out as possible, but the first 2 or 3 days is usually very difficult to get out videos because I'm acclimating myself to the whole galley, doing inventory, stuff like this. So this will come out. Give me like about 3 or 4 days before I even start doing any type of videos. I'm going to start off most likely with desserts. How's that sound? And then we'll continue on from there. Okay? And I want to thank you all for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, please click on subscribe. There's a lot more to come. My videos are usually pretty funny with lots of bloopers because I don't have time to stop, redo. But you'll have fun watching it. I make it fun. Click on that notification bell too so you know when my videos come out. I want to thank you all for supporting this channel. And you all have an awesome, awesome day. See ya.